how to find hidden photos on your iPhone. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let me show you how it's done. So let's just say you have put some of your photos or videos into hidden mode, or you have pushed them into the hidden folder. Let's just say you do it like this. So you go and come here, and all you have to do is click on hide. So this video seems to be hidden already. Let me check the next video. So now, as you can see, there's this option called hide. So now that you have done this, you might be wondering, where is all this going into? Let's say you want to recover the hidden files, and now you're not able to do that. And yeah, that's why I'm here. So all you have to do now is go into settings, and once you're in settings, you scroll down and you search for photos. And once you click on photos, you can scroll down and see there is this option which is called hidden album. All you have to do now is enable it, and that's it. You can now view the album, which is the hidden album, and all the photos that you have, photos or videos you've hidden in the past few days or months, will be available here. All you have to do is click on library, or click on for you, or click on albums, and all you have to do is scroll down, and you can see in utilities, or in under the utilities section, you can see the hidden tab. And that's it. All these photos I hid in the past, and you can view them. Let's say your job is done and you want to hide them once again. All you have to do is go into settings, go to photos, and then uncheck the option which is called hidden album, and they are now once again hidden. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. Thank you for watching.